All right, hello everyone. Today we're starting a new exploration. This is exploration 4. Unlike the previous explorations, we're going to have to create a new repository for this exploration. So log into your GitHub, create a new repository specifically for this, exploration 4. And yeah, exploration 4. We're going to set it to be a private repo, that's fine, and create our repository. We got some instructions here. So let's go over to our VS Code. This is my folder. Generally, you don't want to be nesting Git stuff inside of Git. Yeah. Let's go ahead and take care of that. So I'm going to open this folder and I'm actually going to put it, I think this one doesn't have a repository, or let's make a new folder. How about that? Exploration 4. So this is going to create nested folders, which is fine. Okay, new terminal, npx create next app at latest. And you can actually put the name of it here, exploration 4. All the normal stuff. Once it's done, we'll open into the folder. Hopefully you've gotten used to this by now. A new major version of NPM available. Interesting. Okay. Code/exploration 4. That opens up this new folder. We'll go ahead and close out the previous one. Now we're inside of here. There's no Git that was created. So we're going to git init, git config user.name, git config user.email, and then git add all, git commit -m, initial commit. Now we're good. Now we can link up our two. So let me go ahead and get these instructions here. Very easy instructions. We just grab this out, add it, grab this one. We don't actually need to do this one. There's other versions of Git that use a different default branch name, but since it's the same, we don't have to worry about it. All right, push. It might ask you to authenticate. I'm already set up for that. And now there's all of my files minus the node modules folder, which is ignored. Anyway, so I have my project here. The next thing we need to do is go over to Vercel. And inside of Vercel, you're going to log in with your GitHub account. Add a new project. And then we're going to try to find it. We need to adjust the permissions. And we're going to choose that repository. I like to not let it have access to everything. I like to select the repositories. So exploration 4, save. And then we'll choose exploration 4, import, and deploy. And this will this connects our project. So basically, the changes we make here, we push them to GitHub. And then Vercel has a listener that will automatically update and redeploy when you push your code up, although it's very strict. So if you have any problems with your code, if you do anything against their normal conventions, they won't let you get away with it. So you got to be very careful. If you have any unused imports, it'll fail deploy. If you don't type something correctly, it'll fail to deploy. There's so many different things where it'll fail to deploy. So we have to make sure that we're following all the correct conventions for everything. Okay, it's going through a build. It takes some time here. There it goes. Continue to dashboard. And it gives you a domain. Yours will be different than this because I stole this one. But there's my domain. And this is the getting started. Now, if I were to push stuff up, it would, after some time, redeploy, and the changes would be made here. So make sure you get everything linked up, and then we'll move on to the next part.